In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe InDesign for free on your PC or Mac. First, click the link in the description below. That'll take you to Adobe's official page. Once you're there, choose your country from the list. Next, click on Start Free Trial. You'll see 3 options pop up: individual, business, and students and teachers. If you're installing it on one device, pick the individual plan, or if it's for more than one user or system, go for the business plan. I'm choosing the individual option here. This gives you a 14-day free trial, along with a 30-day trial of Adobe stock. Click Continue to move on. Now just enter your email address and click Continue again. You'll be asked to fill out some basic details, including your payment info, but don't worry, Adobe won't charge anything until the trial ends. Once that's done, click Agree and Subscribe. You'll now see a screen prompting you to create a password. Go ahead and set one up. Then, head to the second link in the description and download the Creative Cloud app from there. After downloading, install it and log in using the same email you used earlier. Now open Creative Cloud, go to the Apps section, and from there, just install InDesign. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, bye, and have a great day.